Fuck. I might not have stack for this cannon. Don't hit the cannon. Don't hit the cannon. I'll have stack. I'll have stack.
In harmony.
Oh!
What the fuck was that?
It came up right as I last hit that. That is so bad.
That was so loud.
I'm sorry.
Oh my god, that was a jump scare.
Has anyone seen Breaking Bad? That scream I just did, it kind of reminded me of when the Gustav, like he realizes the bomb is under the wheelchair and he's like, he stands up, he's like, oh! Oh my god. Fuck. Okay, sorry. I'm sorry, I missed that cannon, Kevin, but my brain, oh wait, right here. Oh wait, you get it.
Brain, no, you're getting